Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use the GameStop gift card online. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So, using a GameStop gift card online starts with you adding it to your GameStop account. So, you can redeem a GameStop code online by following these steps right here. So, first, just log in into your GameStop account and then just simply select redeem and type in the gift code and the PIN of your gift card. So, the PIN should be available on the other part or other side of your gift card, so you can just find the gift code and the pin on your gift card, and from there you can spend the gift card's value on your next purchase. So GameStop's online store has a ton of fantastic options. So their retail stores are full, but you should check online if you are looking for a specific item and can find it. And you can find a coolest gear with your GameStop card online, and many other items. And video games are an amazing way to spend your time with friends, so get a game night planned with the help of GameStop gift card. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.